Hey everyone, Rachel here today with vicrez.com. Today we've got an aftermarket upgrade for your Tesla Model 3s, our vz101063, a BLZ style front lip in carbon fiber. This carbon fiber front lip splitter is best fitted on Model 3s that were manufactured by Tesla during the 2017 through to 2019 years. Adding aerodynamic purpose as this splitter creates a boundary between the air moving at the front of the vehicle and splits it into two different speeds. Air moving under the car can then move much faster, making the rest of the air carve upwards, creating the equivalent downforce you will need for superior handling at top speeds. Combining the use of both 3D scanning and CAD data, we are able to capture engineering optimizations that were previously only present in OEM manufactured parts, ensuring that our Vicrez parts will fit together on the first try. And with the use of carbon fiber materials that have been rated for aerospace engineering, instead of the more common and readily made available commercial grade carbon fiber materials, you can expect not only an OEM fit, but also a serious appreciation for your Model 3's newly modernized and revamped curb appeal. This front lip splitter is not only visually pleasing, but also practical, as you will be pleased to find that this BLZ style front lip splitter is ultra lightweight and extremely durable, providing you with a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. Vicrez would like to advise that carbon fiber products require a specialized skill set to install, and we recommend professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop before DIY. Most importantly, please make sure to test fit all aftermarket products before they are painted, installed, or modified. We'll have more videos out next week, so stay tuned if you like what you see and you want to see more. Just make sure you hit that like button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to hear the news about our newest product overviews first. And if you want to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight to your inbox, make sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter, available at vicrez.com.